Hey guys, Dan here from Decolo 3D Prints. Today we're going to go over a quick install video on the medium-sized Kobalt CaseStack 4-way dividers. Here's a quick inspection of the center divider bracket. Notice that the frontmost side is perfectly straight and the backmost side has a slight curve. Go ahead and insert it, and you might have to pull the front of the case a little bit outwards. Next, we have one of the side dividers. Go ahead and slide it into the slots. Same with the opposite side. Once all the sides are in, give it a quick wiggle. You'll notice it's still a little bit loose. Now we can grab the keyway, inspect it, and you'll see that one side is perfectly straight and the other side is slightly beveled. That side is going to be on the outside. With a change of perspective from inside the box, we can now see that the flat end of the keyway is going to meet the flat end of the divider, with the curved section meeting the curvature of the bottom of the box. It should be a tight fit since this is what is keeping tension on the inside divider. Once the keyway is inserted, we can give the dividers another wiggle and we'll see that everything is now held tight. Another positive is that if you're also lucky enough to have the CaseStack inserts, they'll also fit on top of these dividers. Thanks again for watching another install video. Like, subscribe, and keep on bringing your ideas to life.